Hi everyone, welcome back to PartsHnC. In today's video, I'll show you how to install a wall-mounted air conditioner step by step. First, gather your tools: air conditioner unit, mounting bracket, power drill, level, stud finder, insulation tape, measuring tape, and a utility knife. Start by choosing a clear wall spot near a power source. Use a stud finder to locate the studs and mark the mounting bracket's position. Ensure it's at least 7 feet above the ground for proper airflow. Drill the holes and secure the mounting bracket, checking it's perfectly level. If your unit requires a vent, measure and cut an opening in the wall. Seal any gaps with insulation tape to maintain energy efficiency. Next, lift the air conditioner onto the bracket, ensuring it's stable and secure. Connect the electrical wires and piping as per the instructions. If electrical work isn't your strength, hire a professional. Finally, plug in the unit, test it, and check for proper cooling and any leaks or noises. And that's it, your wall-mounted AC is ready to keep you cool.